We at this Goodwill store. We're out in Reseda, I believe. We're in Reseda. Let's spell it. We're out in Reseda, California. Check out this Goodwill out here. See what we find, guys. Oh, they actually got a big selection. I noticed I didn't say the word good, but they got a big selection. Yeah, these shoes beat up. Look at these, man. Beat up. That boy's beat up. I don't think I'm gonna find anything here, you guys. Do not think I'm gonna be able to find nothing. Yeah, these. Yeah, I'm thinking about a light restore, but no. Full restoration, man. Come on now. I'm not at that level yet. I don't know if we're gonna be able to find much. Let me look around. This is the section for the kids. Didn't really see much, and then they got like two full racks for the women. Yeah, apparently everybody donates for the women, but not for the dudes. Kind of messed up. I didn't see nothing, you guys. Did not see nothing. What about these? What about these right here, huh? People who represent Ohio State. Not bad. It's like the only thing decent. Get those. Watch the hell out of them. Are they really selling the old school camcorder? And they don't even have it doesn't even come with a battery. How would you even find the battery for that thing? That's interesting. Stop number 2. Hope this one is better than the last one, because last one we didn't find jack. Oh. Alright, this one actually has 2 separate aisles for guys' shoes. 2 separate aisles, so yeah, let's see what we find. Oh, what's this? What is this? What the heck is this? Oh, creative restoration or recreations? What the heck? No clue what that is. Some LeBrons. LeBrons. Pretty worn down. Oh, some more LeBrons. I have no clue what this LeBron is. No insole, nothing. Okay, that's interesting. Alright, they got some Jordans here. I have no clue. I don't know. Let me know if you guys know what shoe this is, because I think this is a generic one. I don't think it must be a Team Jordan, because I don't recognize silhouette. But they want $24, $25 for this. Huh? That is kind of crazy. Yeah, they're beat pretty bad. Got some old school Reeboks. Got some old school Gazelles, kind of beat down. Those need a shoe tree real bad. Alright, I've carefully combed through everything, even the women's section, and there's just nothing. There's nothing worth restoring. Oh, some Romas. These aren't in terrible condition. $15. I feel like you can find those find a brand new one for probably like 30 if you search Marshalls and stuff. But yeah, I really don't find nothing, you guys. Alright, so we just went to 2 different Goodwills. There was nothing. There really was nothing worth even close to restoring. They didn't have nothing, so yeah, I may or may not be able to stop by another one. I don't know if I have time, especially today. Hopefully within the next couple days I'll have more time to stop by some more and try to get some content for you guys. But yeah, sorry I didn't find nothing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you comment, like these videos and stuff, and thanks for watching, guys.